Hey boys, we got the first load of posts up here for the fence. We finally get it up here. We're running about 60, 70 mile an hour winds today, so it's gonna be rough one. We've got to cut the strap loose on the post. Yeah. It's gonna be a dandy. Each one of the posts will weigh about 100 pound piece. 6 inches broad, 7.5 foot long. So we're gonna see what we can do. This is what we're using to get the hole started with. This is an auger. It's a BT 131. So this gets the hole started, but now we gotta get the rest of it out with post hole diggers, all manual from there. As you can tell, this is straight up slate rock. Big hose. We've got started right here. He's working them post hole diggers in right. They about got him. This is what you gotta do when you hit rock. You gotta bust him out with the old spud bar here. The reason it's so rocky is this used to be a stick rock. That was mine. And they just pushed all this old field dirt and stuff back in here where they get it. And that's what you're left with.
Luckily we got enough topsoil on top of it to actually grow things. You can see the topsoil right there. They're probably, what, 8 inches?
Good layer of topsoil, yep.
So, the further you go back, different places you got more. It's not real bad, but it's just bad enough to be a pain.
Well, folks, we've been at this same hole right here for 30 minutes, and it's been a doozy. Woo! That's that big rock we got out there. He's about to get her up there. I'm going to have to make a phone call right quick. Yeah, go ahead and bring Jacob a new pair of arms when you come. All right, thanks.
That's okay, I don't feel it no more.
Yeah, we got this pole set right here. We got our concreted. Just waiting on a little water. We're good to go. Hey, boys. Got some crazy wind going on. I'd say about 60 mile an hour gusts at times. Pretty rough for this part of the country. Right out of the hole. It's blowing so hard. Concrete them in. We'll take this work. Get a line out. We're going to be using about 12-foot gate. Plenty of room to take cat feathers, trucks, all that good stuff out.